said he wouldn't be gone long, and then he was long gone. Him and moms never got along, sometimes he was strong-armed. And moms thought it best to move west out to the coast. She took her baby away from the man she needed the most. He hoped to see her again, he wasn't bad, just a youth. And both him and her mother lacked understanding and truth. The proof of this is when her mom moved in with a man who destroyed her inner being with a touch from his hand. From age 8 to age 12, and it just don't stop. Now junior high is upon her when her virginity's lost. She wants love but doesn't understand the reason for man, the reason for the sex replacement of the touch from father's hand. But why bother? She still feels unfulfilled in life, unskilled in how to deal with the real. It's so ill how one man can crumble a grill, compounded by the many who continue to conquer and steal. Self-worth is worthless, been shot out of hell. Heaven awaits with healing in its wings, he's ringing the bell. Time to excel, step past the threshold of church, unlock the key without Alicia to this true woman's worth, a new birth.
Why is she shattered and broken? Why does she have hope in nothing? Why is her trust built in no one? Why was her love interrupted?
Young and innocent, knows nothing about being intimate. Shy, looks no one in the eye, she lacks confidence. Been crying since the very first incident. Repeatedly watching daddy beat mommy senseless. Not just physical, but verbally abusive. Foul words are the only words that he's loose with. I'll slap you toothless. His favorite punchline, followed by that was nothing, I'll kill you next time. He cut the phone line, can't call for help. She know his gun is on the shelf above the belt. The one he used to give mommy all the welts. The one her older brother used to hang himself. It's up to her. There is no one else to kill the source of the pain that she has felt. Filled with guilt from mommy, she held a secret between me and you. Daddy told her to keep it. It was open season on her purity. Just as soon as she hit puberty, with unruly anger, she fired the gun, emptying bullets into her dad. Everyone, story done.